Hey people, so I'm back to doing these reviews that are like out of the universe kind, like in terms of I saw the show called Who's Your Gynec on Amazon Prime, and it stars Saba Azad, who is now known as the, the next probably Mrs. Hrithik Roshan, but truly this particular show stands on its own simply since Saba Azad has put up such a authentic performance. I mean, it is the kind of series that once you begin watching one episode, you're hooked, really. So basically, it is just this particular show. What's Who's Your Gynec is can be watched on the Amazon Mini TV, also on the Amazon Prime. So it's all about this one particular gynec who's trying to find clients, and her best friend is also like she's expecting. So basically, Saba Azad's character tries to really make sure that she gets her best friend as her client, as her first client. So all this is shown to us in the trailer itself, and once you watch the series unfold, it is warm, it is funny, it is witty. My God, full marks to the this team behind this show, because they brought us a very like feel good series. People, as of today, this morning, I was just taking a look at all the other old videos that I've done, and I just realized that it almost has a vintage value to it. So yeah, so that's what I just realized, that even making these videos is of use, because years from now I look back at these videos and think that it was nice that I took the effort to make these videos. So truly, people, if you all like binge watching these really nice series, and it is only 20 minutes per episode, I think, or yeah, maybe 30 minutes, but yeah, 23 minutes, 25 minutes, it's like that. So it's called Who's Your Gynec, and it's on Amazon Prime or Amazon Mini TV. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.